Okay, let's solve this question. In the above figure, AB, MN, and DC are each perpendicular to BC. So AB, MN, and CD are perpendicular to each other if length of AB is 12 centimeter, length of MN is 4, and length, we have to find the length of CD. We have to find the length of CD. So this figure consists so many triangles that are similar, right? So for this is a special triangle. In this triangle, I can find the lengths, or I can relate these three lengths by using a theorem that is known as the ladder theorem, right? We can use the ladder theorem to find this distance. This is very popular theorem to find these perpendicular lengths, or what does this theorem says? This ladder theorem says that the length of this MN, where if I join the foot and the top of these two lengths with the let's say, if I join the top of this tower or this height to the foot of other height, and the top of this height to the foot of other height, right? So the point where they meet, if I draw perpendicular to the base MN, this length would be given by ladder theorem, and it could be given by, it can be find out as 1 upon Mn would be equal to 1 upon AB plus 1 upon CD, right? This is known as ladder theorem. So how do we get this relation? We get this relation by using the property of similarity, right? You can see in this triangle BCD, this is this triangle BMN is similar to BCD, right? So we can relate these two lengths. And in this triangle, let's say CNM and CBA, we can relate these two lengths, correct? So we can apply the concept of similarity to arrive at this relation, and that is commonly known as ladder theorem. So we can easily find the value of CD by using this ladder theorem. 1 upon Mn would be 1 upon 4. AB is given as 12. I need to find the length of CD. So 1 upon CD would be equal to 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 12. Taking LCM 12, this is 3 minus 1. So it becomes 2 upon 12, which is 1 by 6. So I get the value of CD as 6. So correct answer for this question is option B.